Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So there's like a big storm outside, and in our backyard, like the whole tree fell down. Like, oh my goodness. It's like my I know you can't see it, but my door is like, my window's like so wet. See? My window's so wet. And that doesn't even happen after rain. Like, my goodness. It was like a big giant monsoon. And hopefully it was really short, because you do not want to see me when that monsoon started. I was scared of my life. My goodness. Great, my parents are in the living room now. I hope my dad doesn't say hi to the camera like he does all the time. Oh my goodness. Hey, Mom, I'm just showing a big storm that happened outside to YouTube.
Do you already have them or what?
See that, guys? Oh, I was just doing a video. Yeah.
Okay.
See, guys?
So
That whole tree fell down.
Okay. Bye.
Well, oh my goodness, it's dark in here. Well, that was scary. Oh my goodness. And don't worry, guys, my house is fine. And I'm fine. And everything around my house is fine, except that little stupid tree.